Fanil Madagascar is the largest association in the Catholic Church in 21 dioceses. We account and married members around 23,000 girl guides. Created in 1942, we have four branches to educate girls and young women such Antinal 6 to 9 years old, Tantelial 10 to 14 years old, Vainanj 14 to 16 years old, and Av 17 to 25 years old. We are based at Catholic School, Church and University. We have two specific branches in community guiding: disabled guides called Ranville and rural guides called Fanil-Tansa. The association have a lot of activities, including also the WAGS initiative.